They had a significant drop in stock value after reporting an $89.3 million operational loss. Multiple law firms initiated investigations into potential securities fraud. One of the interesting things about that, though, is that a lot of times when a company loses money, somebody gets sued. So I'm not saying that they're innocent, though. It sounds like they have a lot of things they have to clean up. But if let's say that they hired some new CEO that came in and is able to fix things and turn it around, that can lead to a boost in the stock. Like for example, Starbucks had a big major stock price increase after they hired their new CEO and their stock had fallen. But what's funny is the stock shot up and then it went down again. But I bought it after it went down again because I believe the new CEO is going to make Starbucks strong. He's going to make Starbucks great again. All right. So let's see here. Yeah. So there's no resolution that's been announced yet. And so so if you look at the bull case for this stock, basically it's this idea that it's going to end up sort of either being exonerated or it's going to clear up the whole issue, meaning they might pay a settlement or something like that. Because here's the thing, childcare is a pretty sticky industry. It's a non-discretionary industry, meaning that millions of working parents have to pay for childcare. Kindercare is one of the largest daycare providers in the U.S. They have 1,500 centers nationwide in high traffic areas. So they've got a massive moat, what they call an economic moat. And also, if they survive these legal challenges, which I think that they will, the stock is going to like shoot up. Like the minute there's an announcement to say, okay, Kindercare issued a settlement or Kindercare has been exonerated, you're going to see that stock do some amazing things. Also, the federal and state governments tend to subsidize childcare quite a lot. And so they have a lot of good private public partnerships. And also they have a potential for a private equity buyout. So if they stay bearish, then what happens is that there are people out there, there are private equity funds that may look at that company and say, holy crap, we can buy an amazing business for a really cheap price. And that could end up taking Kindercare off the market and making it a private company, which means the shareholders would get a payout. So my conclusion overall, not investment advice, is I still like Kindercare. I like Kindercare. Now, one stock that I've been talking about a lot, that's or one asset that or one stock actually that I've been talking about a lot that's done really well. How many of you own OKLO? I assume a lot of you bought OKLO. In our stock options class, we make a lot of income from OKLO. OKLO is a great income generator. If you like to sell stock options or engage in some of the bearish strategies, in order to generate income, I've seen a lot of people replace their income with stocks like this, and this stock literally went up 100% this last month. And I was really excited about it because I own a lot. I own thousands and thousands of dollars of OKLO. And also I know a lot of you do because I've talked about it so much, even though I always say this is not investing advice. I know that a lot of you, pay attention to what I say. So I try to say it carefully. I'm not always right though. That's the thing. I'm not always right because you can't predict an individual stock. I know people lie to you and they say, oh, I know exactly this is going to go up. I know precisely what this stock is going to do. Nobody knows that shit. Excuse my French. I'm cussing, but nobody knows that stuff. Nobody knows what a stock is going to do. And it frustrates me like crazy as a financial scholar. It drives me insane to hear people confidently say, oh, I know what it's going to do. Buy it. It's definitely going to go up. You don't know that. You do not know that. Well, why do I know that you don't know that?